Now, I'm not a fan of New Year's resolutions. You know, the type that state one specific thing we are or aren't going to do from the 1st of January, the ones that are usually broken within a week, so are not only a bit useless, but also make us feel like a failure too. No, not a great system that in my book. But there is a system that I quite like, and I shared it last year, and with New Year upon us, I'm going to do an update and a review on this year too. Okay, so the idea of this system is to have two words, one that reflects on and sums up the year just gone, and one that sets your intention or goal for next year. Now this way, there's not a specific moment or a thing you do or don't do that means you've broken this promise or intention. It still gives you some direction or drive or focus though. So my word for last year was to step up. And yes, I know that's technically two words, but there's no mark scheme for this task, right? So do I feel like I achieved that? Well, yes or no, yes and no. Ways that I did, well, one of the goals, a big thing was working with and in school, expanding in that way. And I definitely did that, definitely started the ball rolling on being able to help more students and impact more students in that way by delivering workshops. However, in focusing on that, I didn't do as well with spreading my word and reach throughout Australia as a whole to more students and parents. Growing my reach through optimizing my hundreds of videos now on YouTube, speaking to more different media, I have to admit that took a bit of a backseat at times. On the other hand, I have stepped up with providing even more support to my existing community of parents and students. So I ran a free Facebook pop-up group for 3 months throughout exam season with plenty of support, additional exam-specific tips and help, and I've also introduced a next level coaching opportunity for graduates of the 10-week Grade Transformation Program. So still a couple of things to take forward and work on, but also definitely some achievements and proud moments too. So what's my goal for next year? Or should I say my word for next year? I've thought about it a little bit and it's grow. And by that, I don't mean grow the business or grow the number of people in the program or whatever. It's more about me growing as a person, to be honest, but also about growing the number of students in general that benefit from the information and training that I've got to share. Because the plans I have for 2019 involve working with schools at a higher level through teachers and leadership as well. And to be totally honest, that's going to take a little bit of bravery on my part too, hence the need to grow in my role. In order to be able to tackle the issue of integrating exam preparation, developing exam technique, actively teaching study strategies and skills, essay strategy, and more, and incorporating it into an already crammed curriculum and bulging lessons plans, I know is a challenge. But I believe that there is a way for students to benefit from this training within school and not just as a standalone one-off workshop in that school. So it's a goal I'm setting myself so that these skills, tools and techniques aren't just limited to the students who do undertake the 10-week program, for example, or any of my other online trainings, or whose school I'm happening to be delivering a workshop to. I want to get as many students as possible happy, smart, and successful in their study so they confidently tackle the tasks and assessments they're given and achieve the grades they're truly capable of with that school that they're in. So I'd love to know, what are your 2 words? Can you use this as a conversation starter with your team and have them consider their 2 words as well? Drop me a comment below this video to let me know, or as always, you can email me at katie.price@rocksolidstudy.com.au. And from me, Katie Price, grade transformation expert, I wish you a super happy new year, and let's make it an amazing year in 2019.